Hey, our friends here are going to draw Cutieitos.
Yeah, we saw these at the store and we had to, well, you had to buy one. They're really cute. They're these stuffed animals and they're wrapped up in what?
Burritos.
In a burrito, yeah. They even have the aluminum foil down at the bottom. And you don't know which one you got until you open it. So we're at the very end of this lesson, we're going to open this one.
Yeah, and then on their buns they have a pepper and it's mild, medium, or spicy, and I think I'll get spicy.
There's all different kinds that you can get. A pig, a Chihuahua, cat, puppies, sloth, a monkey. Which one are we going to draw?
The Chihuahua.
The Chihuahua, which I think is called the Chihuahito.
The Chihuahito.
It's a cross between a Chihuahua and a burrito. For this lesson, you're going to need something to draw with, a marker, some paper, and...
something to color with.
Something to color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yes, but we also need a burrito.
Let's first draw the nose right in the middle of our paper, but towards the top, so that we have room for the burrito. Then we're going to draw a line connecting it. So we drew the little V and then the line on top of it. Then let's color it in. Then we're going to draw the snout. We're going to draw an oval. It's going to start here. We're going to go all the way around like this and then back around to the top. Then we can draw a little line down from the nose, and then let's draw the smile. Then we could draw little cheek lines on each side. Oh, and I like that you added a tongue. I'm going to do that too. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw 2 big circles.
It looks
on
scary.
each side. There you go. Now on each circle, let's add a little line for the eyelids on each side. Now if we ever go too fast, our art friends can always
pause the video.
Pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the pupils. We're going to draw a big circle, and it's only half a circle because it's underneath the eyelid. And then we could do the same thing over here on the other side. Then let's draw a smaller circle for the highlight. Then let's color in the pupil, but leave that little circle white. Next, let's draw the head. We're going to start right next to the eye, and we're going to draw a curve that comes underneath the mouth and then back around to the other side. Next, we're going to draw the ears. We're going to start right here above the eye, and we're going to draw an S curve that comes up. So curve one direction and back the other. Then we're going to come back down and connect to the side of the head. Then let's do the same thing over here on this side. Curve one direction and then back the other direction. Then we could draw that big curve coming down. Now let's draw the top. I like your ears.
Bigger than the other one.
That's okay. We're just practicing, right? And now we can draw the top of our Chihuahua's head. So we draw a curve that goes across the top. And then let's also draw the inside of the ears. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes like this and almost connects to the side of the head. Then we could do the same thing on the other side. Oh, it's super cute. Let's also add eyebrows. One on each side. Oh, you're going to add eyelashes. It's like it always surprises me that you add eyelashes on every single drawing.
Rule number 1, always add eyelashes.
Okay, Hallie, what are we missing?
The burrito wrap.
The burrito wrap. We're going to start here. We're going to draw a little curve that comes out like this. And then back. So it goes in and then back out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side too. These are funny. I don't know why you would want animal inside your burrito. Then down here at the bottom, let's draw a curve to connect the 2 lines. Then we're gonna draw the wrap coming around. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down. This one's gonna be fun. We're gonna draw a big, kind of looks like a backwards C. There you go. You did it. Now right here, let's draw another curve that comes down and then connects in. This is the other part of the wrap coming around. And we can also color in this shape. Let's add 2 more details. We're going to add a little edge to the wrap. And then we can also add a little dashed line going down the forehead.
So they look like stuffed animals.
Yeah, it looks like a stuffed animal. So it's not a real animal in our burrito. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our cutito, and it looks super cute, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color it. This part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. We did it! We finished coloring our Chihuahua. I think that's how you say it. Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
And you did a great job. Now you guys at home can pause the video to match the same coloring. And we also still need to open up our cutito to see what we got, right?
Yeah.
On the back side, see it shows all the different ones you can get. Monkey and the puppy.
Sloth.
And here's the hot spot, mild, medium, or spicy. There's a little pepper on its little buns.
Little buns.
Do you want to open it up and see what you got?
Yeah. That's so fuzzy.
Oh, look. It totally looks like a burrito. Oh, you can pretend to eat it. Oh, it's so tasty. I love that it has the foil wrap on the bottom, just like a regular burrito. Okay, open it up. Oh, you got the
I got the puppy.
You got the puppy. I think she's a little excited.
I love puppies.
Oh, it's really cute. It really is cute. Oh, you got the papito.
Papito.
Oh my gosh, Hadley. Look at that. We should draw the full-bodied.
I got mild.
Oh, is that what that means? No, oh yeah, it does. It says hotspot mild. Oh, I like how it glitters. Look at that. Ooh.
It's so
And look at that face. Oh my gosh, that's a pretty cute face. Wait, you gotta wrap it back up.
Oh, yes.
We hope you had fun following along with us and drawing your own cutito and also watching us open one. They are really cute.
Ocho!
If you haven't ever seen these before, we'll leave a link where you can head over to Amazon and purchase one yourself. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!
Goodbye!